So this is a greenhouse. There are hives kept at different locations, right? So what would be the ideal position? Is this the ideal position to keep a hive? Out of what's over there? Not anything, just a location. It really does. We are not comparing. We just say that if I keep a hive at this location, plants are here, the wall, the greenhouse wall is here, and it's at this place, this height. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Any other comment? So according to this, it is not the right position. Sun is right on top. They will overheat. So their focus will be to stay cool. Their first duty will be to get all the syrup out, spray on the hive so that they can stay cool. So that will what their focus will be and they'll die out soon. If you see big holes on cotton, that means that hive was overheated. They are focusing on flushing, taking syrup and flushing them with that. That is their main focus. They won't do any pollination there. Next is this one. This is not the right placement. Why is it so? It's usually the plants block the entrance. Yeah. Plants block the entrance. It can easily get wet even so. We water plants or there is all around micro environment of the hive will get too humid at this location. Definitely not. Next is this one. What do you think of this one? It's good? Any other comment? So again, if it is at this height, overheating is the scenario. It can easily get overheated. If it is summers, this is too close to the top area. The condensation is an issue and also the overheating. Two issues. It can get wet when it is condensating, and the second is get overheated if the sun is too hot. So we have all of our beekeepers at that location. Yeah. Yeah. So we have to think about to give them proper air through and protection on top so that they don't get eaten. Now this one, last one, this position. Is that wind? Yeah, that's wind. Is it protected? Yeah. So that indicates ventilation actually. Oh, okay. So the air is getting crossover. So what does a hive box mean? Proper ventilation, fine range of temperature, not too hot, not too cold, and not too high humidity around or inside. Any reasons that the inside of the hive can get humid, right? These are three criteria. First is the ventilation. Of course, by the image they have shown that the air is coming in, coming out, coming in. Second is it's not in direct, like on the sun's direct influence because it's in the shade because of the plants. Third is it's not being inside the plant, the entrance is not getting blocked. So this can be considered as a position. Yeah, this can work out. So the ideal is it should be in shade. It should have a same temperature range of 8 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Should have proper ventilation and should not be blocked. The front should be easily, bees can go inside and come outside easily. That is the how it is all indicated on the box itself, and that is how we should use it to get best out of the product. So there are other reasons the same. If we are blocking them, they cannot find their homes. And if the humidity, if the microclimate is too high, the fungi or bacteria can go inside, grow inside, and make the hive unhealthy and even kill the hive. Next is the lights. So the lights, if we are using, it is very common to use HPS lights. So HPS lights do not have the UV spectrum in which bees can see. If they cannot see, they will get lost and they will not give up. So they try to find their homes, and might die in the way itself. Try to find their home or even drift. They go to some other, whatever place they find, they'll drift or even make somewhere else their home. If the worker find that this place is good and warm, she'll make her home there. So drifting is very common in this scenario. Workers dying and workers getting lost. And workers have a set span of lifespan. if they can only work during that time, and the hive needs to have more workers to grow, and that is only possible if the worker comes back with food. So rather than HPS line, a mixture of LED and HPS is preferred, because LED is something that bees can easily see in, but LEDs are not ideal for plants because HPS give them warmth and everything. So a combination of both.